what you have behind me is 32 boxes of bees. I'm sure there's a better name for this. I'm not a beekeeper, but 32 boxes. What he's done is actually made a little cargo box thing out of it, and underneath, so you've got these little legs behind me. So what he does is just drives this truck underneath it, unscrews the leg, so this container just goes onto his truck, and then he can just move it to whatever area he wants. And that's pretty much how he makes different types of honey, which actually have different price depending on the type of crop that they're targeting. How old are you?
18.
So she's 18, and how long have you been working with your dad doing basically beekeeping?
Oh, for 5 years.
So she's been doing it for 5 years, so I'd say what, you started when you were about 13 then?
Yeah.
What were your very first thoughts? Were you scared or were you excited?
Well, I was excited, a little bit scared because there are a lot of bees and my knowledge was less than I know now. So, I don't know, it's pretty exciting.
Yeah?
Not scary, yeah.
It's not scary anymore?
But not scary anymore.
No? So what's the most that you like about it?
Well, I like working. It's kind of peaceful because you're not working with people, you're working with bees. You have just that box and I don't know, you got what you got. It's not like, I don't know, it's nice, it's nature all around you. It's peaceful, maybe that.
Yeah. Few little snips and snaps.